njengoba sebashito Boniface Mdluli business consultant waFooties lengaqala ngakusho nje kubonga Shongwe ukuthi namhla sithola lethuba ukuthi sihlangane ngalendlela lesihlangane ngayo njengoba sekuchaziwe ukuthi budlelwane bothi la siqhamuka khona busaqhubeka abukagcini takhumbula ukuthi sima team lapho siqhamuka khona emuva sibuya nasesigabeni tabo COVID nako konke lapho khona lesinye isikhathi bokucabanga isikutaba likhulu ukuthi sibuye sicommit but simo sinjengale sole sendlula kuso the directors Footies and the Footies family yabona kuhle ukuthi siqhubeke so ngibakusho ngidabe ngokukhuluma on behalf of the Footies family lokusho ukuthi it's the Dlamini family kafishane and all the directors lengakusho ukuthi we are proud ukuthi siqhubeke sibambisane nani so sendlule lapho sibe proud ukuthi sibambisane ne-executive ye ngaba sendlule sibe proud ukuthi sibambisane nema-team futhi onke nangiva ku speech semphathi lacelela uthi kunema-team lesi akhulile langi-2 and langasiwo ema-defending champions so lokho kusena sibe proud ukuthi sithi sibuya siqhubeka sichaza lo msebenzi sibone wenda umehluko at community level nako region because kuyajabulisa ukuthi usinawufaka sandla ubone umehluko wendeka ku lapho la ufaka sandla khona kucetsana manje ukuthi usifake sandla ubone solo kusetshenzela emuva kude intuthuko lekhona umuntu ke akasho ke namuhla ma team nebaholi kwekuthi iFooties iyacommit ukuthi itawuqhubeka iuqhatha lo msebenzi it is true sizesikhathini lapha khona i-competition i-tough cathi niyabona naniphumela ngaphandle ethi i-competition yema-eatery business i-tough kwani stores are opening left right and center competition matima diyashayana impela emarket but noma kunjalo uma ngabe nithethe sinqumo ukuthi into lenjengale niyafisa kuyena sitawusho si nakulomnyaka siyaqhubeka siyacommit lokuthi sitawuqhubeka sikhase lemidlalo because kulokunye kuyendlula ekutheni akhona nama resources bese kubuka sidingo even lesidingo at community level kwekuthi noma kunje make sure you partner with the people lesingakusho kini ku survivor kwe sponsorship kukini bekunene manje ngimachaza lengingawadlala ekutheni sponsorship siqhubeke ngiyawubekisa lokunye nongena ku Facebook page yethu you comment you motivate customers to support a business nananicoca la nikhona khona niyakhuluma ukuthi yini le endiwe ngiFooties ku league yenu na ku community yenu so lokho kuhamba kwelivi neligama lelihle ngebrand kwenda ukuthi umuntu aqabanga athi hey yathi at least ngayisupporta le business le ngoba kunalokuhle lekwendako emangweni ngidawubekisa mina ngingimi I hardly support a business noma ngithenga sikotela se drink I hardly support a business lengayiboni yenda ene community service or giving back to the people mangawuthatha imadlana yami lencane ngisupport ibusiness ngicale ngibuke le business yini lekwendako to give back to the people because a business ayisi business nje business ngalabantu lebayisupporta kuyavama ke ukuthi singemaswati singayivaluate imali yethu isinange uthenga ngivele ukuthi angihambe ngothenga ungathi sile mali oyiphethe ivalue yayo inganayo because now umthatha lo 10 rand uthenga emanti lesitolo lesi ukhona lokushoko nebantu nabakubona ungena uphuma kulezo sitolo lezo bathi hayi shothi kuyathengeka la ngibone bobani bayothenga kuleyo ndzawo bakwakubona futhi uyothenga kulenye indzawo bathi hayi shothi kuthengeka la bayakhona kulandzela nalabanye bayekhona so ibusiness ikhula ngokuthi ibe nema-customer la ayisupporta repeatedly uthi kungendlula lapho bese lama-customer lango sasoma labanye. And then thus it will make it easier and possible for us to continue sponsoring if sibona ukuthi ibhizinisi iyakhula nangakithi. Umuntu akasho ukuthi namuhla Shongwe lesitokwethula emathimini ukuthi sponsorship siyaqhubeka ungithumile umlangeni ukuthi angibuye ngizowethula sponsorship sa 35,000 emalangeni again to you bekunene. Ngiloko ke bengikulethile kini ngitawucela lokuthi ngalamise sibone ngalokho semthethweni ukuthi awu letinombolo lesona angeke isashintsha njengoba kunjalo uma ngabe sesingashintsha nje sesingabe sesiyaginyiswa ukuthi awu likamo bayela futhi ngesekamo ukuthi bese sitorobha emateam sitoqala emanga sikhuluma lokungekho. So I can proudly say lokho lesikuvetako la bekunene ibusiness yaka Footies itolo taka Footies lithe tibuyisela esiveni ku region yakaho under Ingaba ukuthi insha ayihambe yoshukumisa umtimba. Siyabonga bekunene.